to affix the electronic signatures of the signatories in the Education Service Contracting Billing Statement. Select Billing Statement in the navigation panel. Then select View, Print, Delete ESC Billing Statement link. Click Billing Statement Signatures under the Status Signature column. In the Status of Signature page, click Send Notification to Signatories button. The Information Management System, or IMS, will send an email with the subject Request to Affix Signature, containing the link to the billing statement for signature page. Click Affix Signature button. You will be redirected to the two-step verification page of the IMS, and at the same time, the IMS will send an email with the subject Signatory Account Verification, containing the signatory's one-time passcode or OTP. Encode the OTP sent to your email in the two-step verification page. Then click Submit to be redirected to the billing statement for signature page. Check the box beside the ESC billing statement number. Then click Affix Signature. The IMS will ask the signatory to confirm the affixing of signature. Click Cancel to dismiss the action, or Submit to process the affixing of signature to the ESC billing statement and schedule of tuition, other, and miscellaneous fees. After clicking Submit, you will be redirected to the two-step verification page of the IMS, and at the same time, the IMS will send an email with the subject Affix Signature Verification, containing the signatory's OTP. Encode the OTP sent to your email in the two-step verification page, then click Submit. The IMS will show if the affix signature process is successful. In affixing the attestation of the list of ESC grantees, click Attestation Signatures under the Status Signature column. In the Status of Signature page, click Send Notification to Signatories button and repeat the same process as affixing signatures to the ESC billing statement. After successfully affixing the signatures to the ESC billing statement and supporting documents and attestation of the list of ESC grantees, click the Send to PEAC Regional Secretariat icon to submit the ESC billing statement to the PEAC Regional Secretariat. Click OK to confirm submission of the billing statement to the PEAC Regional Secretariat. For account security, please take note that the email address used by the IMS in sending emails to the signatories shall only be noreply@emailer.peac.org.ph.